Welcome back to Luxury Motorhome, and prepare yourselves because today we are not just reviewing a vehicle. We are taking a deep dive into the future of travel. This is the Crimson Voyager Luxury Motorhome 2026, a masterpiece that blurs the line between a yacht, a penthouse, and a high-performance touring machine. The moment you lay eyes on it, you realize everything you thought you knew about motorhomes belongs to the past. It stands before you not as a simple RV, but as a sculpture of motion. Its futuristic aerodynamic body defined by sleek, sculpted lines that make it look as though it's moving even when perfectly still. It possesses a commanding yet utterly graceful presence, like a luxury yacht suddenly placed on the open road. The two-tone metallic paint, a stunning combination of deep black juxtaposed with shimmering champagne gold accents, catches the sunlight and reflects the world around it with an almost liquid elegance, highlighting the vehicle's exquisite craftsmanship. As dusk settles, the Crimson Voyager performs a light-up ritual that is nothing short of spectacular. Its advanced LED lighting system comes alive. Razor-sharp daytime running lights slice through the darkness. Wraparound taillights define its rear with a signature glow, and soft ambient accents trace the gold contours of the body, giving it an unmistakable, breathtaking night presence that turns every scenic overlook into a private show. Moving closer, the seamless integration of technology becomes apparent. The entry is completely automated, a beautiful hidden system where retractable steps glide out from beneath the chassis, and a digital keypad grants seamless, almost secret access to your luxurious domain. The rear of the vehicle is equally impressive, with an integrated spoiler and a smooth, unbroken aesthetic that balances performance and pure visual pleasure. And let's not forget the wheels. Large, stylish, and futuristic in their design, featuring aerodynamic hub covers that hint at the stability and finely tuned airflow beneath this magnificent structure. But perhaps the most captivating exterior feature is the expansive panoramic glass roof, a shield of transparency that runs the full length of the motorhome, promising a flood of natural light by day and the most breathtaking sky views imaginable once night falls. You're not just traveling, you're living under the sky. Stepping inside the Crimson Voyager is an immersion into a world where every sensory detail has been perfected. The sensation is one of hushed, refined luxury, immediately achieved by the advanced noise insulation technology that makes the world outside whisper into oblivion, allowing for whisper-quiet comfort even at highway speeds. The open concept layout is a triumph of design, allowing a smooth, graceful transition between the living, kitchen, and bedroom areas. It feels less like a segmented vehicle and more like a flowing, high-end apartment. You are enveloped by premium materials that speak volumes about uncompromising quality. Genuine Napa leather so soft it practically melts beneath your touch. Rich fine wood veneers and brushed aluminum accents that catch the soft glow of the ambient lighting. This lighting is truly transformative, a customizable symphony of soft colors that allows you to instantly enhance every mood and moment. From a cool, calming blue for a morning drive to a warm, intimate amber for the evening. The main seating area redefines relaxation with 360-degree rotating recliner seats that effortlessly transform from perfect driving or dining positions into fully supportive loungers or even beds, giving you total flexibility. For entertainment, you have a high-end system featuring an immense crystal-clear OLED smart TV paired with a Bose or Harman Kardon surround sound setup that turns the living area into a cinematic sanctuary. Privacy is handled with ingenious smart glass windows that let you adjust the opacity instantly, shifting from a full panoramic view of a mountain range to total, secluded privacy with a simple touch. The kitchen and dining area is a minimalist masterpiece of functional luxury, designed for the gourmet on the go. There's no compromise on quality here. You'll find a smart induction stove that is touch-controlled and energy efficient, offering precision cooking that rivals any high-end residential kitchen. Everything is space-optimized, from the compact yet incredibly capable dishwasher to the luxurious fridge and freezer, proving that you don't have to sacrifice capacity for style. Clutter is non-existent, thanks to clever hidden storage solutions and expandable counters that slide out to maximize your prep space exactly when you need it. But the real game changer is the voice-activated controls, allowing you to manage the lighting, temperature, and all your smart appliances hands-free. Imagine setting the mood or starting the coffee maker with nothing more than a simple, casual command. The bedroom suite is an absolute sanctuary, an invitation to unparalleled rest and rejuvenation. Your king-size bed, Featuring a perfect memory foam mattress, is wrapped in soft, inviting mood lighting that makes it feel like you are sinking into a cloud. Above you, the panoramic stargazing ceiling. Another piece of smart glass delivers nighttime serenity by revealing the canvas of the sky. You can fall asleep beneath a blanket of stars with perfect climate control and quiet comfort. The spa-inspired bathroom continues the theme of lavish relaxation. A rainfall shower provides a cascade of perfectly temperature-controlled water, complemented by a gorgeous marble sink and auto-temperature adjustment technology that ensures a flawless experience every time. The large smart mirror and touch panel controls offer more than just a reflection. They give you instant infotainment and environmental settings right at your fingertips. Every inch of this space is designed to feel like a high-end resort, a constant reminder that you have brought 5-star living with you wherever you roam. Now, let's talk about the beating heart of this magnificent machine, because the Crimson Voyager isn't just a home. It's a driving experience. Beneath its luxurious skin lies an engineering marvel, a potent hybrid electric drivetrain. This system seamlessly combines a turbo V8 engine with powerful electric motors, unleashing an astonishing total output of over 700 horsepower. This incredible power isn't just for show. It's for confidence, allowing you to conquer steep mountain passes or maintain effortless pace on the open highway. The real magic in the ride, however, comes from the adaptive air suspension, a sophisticated system that automatically adjusts the ride height and damping based on the road surface, delivering a perpetually smooth and stable journey. Whether you're gliding across pristine asphalt or traversing rugged back roads, the all-wheel drive system ensures total control and unshakable confidence across every terrain, making this motorhome truly prepared for any destination your heart desires. And throughout all of this exhilarating performance, the advanced noise cancellation technology works tirelessly, maintaining that tranquil, whisper-quiet cabin ambiance, ensuring your drive is as meditative as it is dynamic. The sheer technological brilliance of the Crimson Voyager elevates it beyond a mere vehicle. The digital driver cockpit is a fully customizable command center, featuring an immersive 3D navigation display that makes every journey an engaging, future-forward experience. This motorhome is also equipped with advanced autonomous driving assist features, including adaptive cruise control, intelligent lane keeping, and true hands-free driving modes, taking the strain out of long-haul journeys and letting you arrive at your destination refreshed. Parking, which can often be a stressor in a vehicle of this size, is made simple and precise thanks to the 360-degree camera system, giving you an omniscient view for navigating the tightest spaces. At your command is an AI travel assistant, a digital concierge that not only plans optimal routes but also actively locates charging stations and intelligently recommends scenic stops based on your preferences and location. It's like having a dedicated trip planner riding shotgun. Furthermore, the entire vehicle functions as a smart home, with full integration that allows you to control the lighting, climate, and entertainment systems via a simple app or by utilizing the effortless voice command. For those who demand the absolute peak of bespoke travel, the Crimson Voyager offers a host of phenomenal optional luxury add-ons. You can embrace sustainable off-grid living with available solar roof panels, allowing you to generate and store clean power wherever you stop. For the ultimate 5-star hospitality experience, you can select the built-in espresso machine or a fully stocked elegant minibar. To truly open up your living space to the surrounding nature, there's the option of a retractable outdoor deck or awning, complete with elegant seating for those unforgettable sunset relaxation moments. For the global adventurer, satellite internet and premium streaming services guarantee perfect connectivity no matter how remote your location. And finally, for the pinnacle of personal expression, you have the option for custom interior themes or branded upholstery, designed in collaboration with legendary houses like Bentley, Hermes, or even Rolls-Royce, ensuring your Crimson Voyager is a one-of-a-kind statement of your personal taste. As for the price, a masterpiece of this caliber commands a figure that reflects its engineering, luxury, and exclusivity, placing it firmly in the ultra-high-end tier of luxury transport, a true investment in an unparalleled lifestyle of freedom and comfort. The Crimson Voyager Luxury Motorhome. 2026 is more than just a vehicle. It's a declaration of freedom, a haven of technology, and a rolling canvas of unparalleled luxury. It is the very embodiment of the future of travel, where the journey itself is as magnificent as the destination. It's the perfect blend of supercar performance and penthouse luxury, offering an experience that transcends the ordinary and turns every mile into a moment of pure, unadulterated joy. Can you imagine pulling up to a panoramic vista, the smart glass turning opaque for privacy, the air suspension settling the coach with a gentle sigh, and the sounds of your favorite movie beginning to play on the surround sound system, all while the sunset paints the sky through your panoramic roof? That is the Crimson Voyager experience. We have explored the shell of this revolutionary machine, from its sleek sculpted body to its incredible hybrid heart, and immersed ourselves in the 5-star opulence of its interior and the world-class intelligence of its technology. This isn't just a motorhome you buy, it's a lifestyle you choose. Thank you for joining us on this thrilling exploration. We hope you can close your eyes and feel yourself behind the wheel, the road endless and inviting before you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Luxury Motorhome, and ring that notification bell so you never miss a moment of the breathtaking innovations we discover. Until next time, dream big, travel further, and stay tuned for more luxury on wheels.